Today I bring to you the unboxing of the Stream Deck, the Elgato Stream Deck. So the reason that I decided to buy this was because I do stream here and there and I felt like it was a good investment. It is 15 customizable keys that you can pretty much customize, personalize to whatever you want. For example, if you want to switch between your screens on OBS, if you want to turn off notifications on a certain program, turn them on, I felt it was good. And I feel there's a lot more than just streaming that you can do with this. You can use it for, opening programs, closing programs, editing. I'm pretty sure you can keybind shortcuts to this instead of having to remember which shortcut does what. It would allow you to customize it to this. Reading the back, it's compatible with your preference. It has some Elgato Game Capture AD, Tippy Stream, Twitter, OBS, Twitch, YouTube, and more, which pretty much we know that. It's also compatible with Windows and Mac. I'm not sure if it's available in Linux yet. So let's just get through the unboxing and let's do a small setup of it. And here we are with the Stream Deck. So I've already used the knife to cut the tape at the back of it. And opening it up, we see already our quick start guide. Tell you pretty much how to set it up, what to do, but we don't need that because we're smart. Maybe. So this is the Stream Deck. It's a little heavy, but I'm gonna assume that so that when it slide all over your table, it'll just stay still, which I kind of like. I'm not complaining. The keys are a little rubbish. They're not bad though. And then let's put this aside for a second. What else we have in the box? We have the menu, and then we have our little adjustable stand here. That I guess you can use, if you want to raise up your Stream Deck or not. So, you get to pick if you want it facing you. That way you can see, the icons. Or just, you can use it now. Yeah, you can use this to level it up a little bit off the table, and if not, you can just lay it flat. Not bad, Elgato, not bad. So let's actually hook this up to the computer and go from there. So I've already installed the program just off their site. It's actually opening it up here. And we need to stream it. So on the right, we have, I guess, what it actually allows us to do. We have our game capture, our mixer, OBS Studio, Stream Deck, Streamlabs, System, TV Stream, Twitch, Twitter, XSplit, I'm sorry, I'm so slow, and YouTube. Let's click this and see where it takes us. I kind of know where it takes us, but yeah. And here we go to the Elgato site, so let's close this out. Let's delete this. Just in case, delete and let's start. So let's connect Twitch, which is what I kind of want to work with. Let's do chat message, no account, add an account, add Twitch. Let's add the account. And here we go. Here we go, we've added the account. Title, let's do this here back. No collection, no, please launch OBS. So OBS has to be running. Collection untitled, and this be like that. You pick our icons here. You can double tap and it'll allow you to add your own icon, but I don't have any right now, so we're just gonna leave it with the basics. Then we have the Twitch message. So let's do the hype love because those are my two emotes. We have your account already selected. Enter chat message. So I think these are my emotes. I'm not really sure. And copy paste. Alright, so let's open up Twitch. Let's just slide this over. And we're going to tap on the button. Did it? I guess those are my emotes. I don't even know my own emotes. Oh. It's caps lock. Alright, let's try try it again. So there we go. Now we're gonna press it. Oh no, it's not doing it. Only did it once. Oh, because I'm very smart, guys. Alright, let's try this one more time. I didn't have the space. Alright, here we go. I love how it's instant. You know, you don't have to click save. You don't have to click anything. It's just automatically, any changes you do to the Stream Deck app, it'll automatically update right away. So that's working. So let's try OBS with its Be Right Back stream. So I'm gonna bring this over. Alright, so let's move this over. We're just gonna press Be Right Back, and there we go, automatically and quickly. So it's not set to loop, which is why I ended up. Okay, let's close OBS, and let's try one more. Let's go to Systems. We can have websites. So let's try website. We're going to type Google and the URL. Just press it, and there we go. Google to the right. I mean, yeah, the page isn't full screen, but you know, you get the function. You get the function. All right. So another thing I want to try. So we did Twitch. So I want to try open. Oh, open an app. All right. So let's title this as Word. And app file, here we go looking for it. So I don't actually know where all my apps are. Here, Excel 16, desktop, and here. Alright, we're gonna switch this up because, yeah. Let's do Battle.net. I know where that is, and then we just double click here, click the app, open, and there you go. And you get, if the app has its own icon, then it'll update the icon. And here you can change the positioning or where you want it. Let's just do the bottom, and let's test it out. So here we go, click on it, and it'll automatically open, as you can see. Let's close it, and now I want to actually try hotkey switch, hotkey, no, Streamlabs, go Stream Deck, create folder, search profile, brightness, create folder. So the title of the folder is going to be school. And create another folder. Let's name this one Adobe. And here we go. We double click, and then here we get to our app. So I named it school, right? So this is gonna be your Word, your Excel, your up here, and your Adobe. It's gonna be your Premiere Pro, etc. And then here we go. You know, you click here, Adobe folder, it'll go somewhere else. You click back, you click your school folder, somewhere else, home. You out, no, see, and then that's the button. That's what you get when it fails. You click on it, and it's going to fail. You're gonna get the warning sign if it fails. If it works, the green logo, you get a green circle with a check mark, meaning it worked. And that is it, guys. So if you want to see a review, let me know down in the comments, and I can work on that. Adios. Alright guys, we finished the unboxing and the setup. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get more videos. If you want to see more of these types of videos, then drop a comment below, and especially if you want to see a review of it. I'm thinking about doing that, and I'll see you guys next time.